Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mark Loeffler Experience. Thanks everyone for coming back. I did take last week off. I hope you guys missed me, and if you didn't, well, that's life. Yeah, so we're going to be talking about the crazy train has left the station. How to sell your home in an unpredictable market. So just last week, we sold a couple properties, and one we had that we listed, and we sold that in multiple offers for $250,000 more than asking. We had 8 offers in Burlington, Ontario, and then we had a condo in the west end of Toronto, which was listed for $900,000, and we didn't even get a viewing on it. What does that mean? Where are we going? What's happening with real estate prices? Is this the end of the world? Is it just summertime and things are going to cool down? Honestly, I'm not even going to tell you. I mean, you can go check out the link down below for what Andrew and I thought when we did our, state of Canada and our predictions. So I'm not going to be doing it now. Obviously, you guys have lived through it a number of times. This spring was absolutely insane in the market. If you didn't buy before you sold, you could have very well have been homeless. And now, obviously, there are things sitting on the market longer if properties aren't priced right. So what are we doing to sell homes in this market? Well, to be honest with you, it's not even a region by region thing. It's a neighborhood by neighborhood strategy that we're now employing, because one neighborhood, holding back offers could work, and you get your bidding war, 8 to 10 offers, maybe 3 to 4. In some neighborhoods, all you're looking for is 3 to 4 offers, but you're pricing it closer to the expectation of value. Whereas, sometimes you're like, okay, in this neighborhood, I know I'm going to get 8 to 10. And sometimes it's like, we're just going to price it to sell. Because when people see that there's an offer date, they're not even going to bother showing up in some markets. Which market are you in? And, I'm hearing this across the country. This isn't just regionalized in Ontario. Is it still a good time to buy and sell real estate? Now, okay, I'm a real estate agent. I get it. Yet, I got my investor hat on right now. And to be honest with you, I'm closing a property in Canmore tomorrow. I bought probably at the height. We're closing on another apartment building on July 15th in Edmonton. So I am buying in this market. I haven't bought in Ontario in a little bit, yet I am still looking to buy in Ontario. So if you guys know anybody who's looking to sell a 15 to 30 unit building in southwestern Ontario, I'd definitely love to talk to them. Obviously, this article in the Star, so if you're reading this in the paper, it means it's probably already happened about a month ago, which we were talking about. Is it a bad time to sell your home? No. Is it a good time to sell your home? No, yeah. Is the home going to sell itself like it did 3 months ago? Well, probably not. You're probably going to have to do a little bit more work. You're probably going to have to go ahead and, as we come in, we bring a contractor in, we'll stage the property for you, we'll fix up any problems that have caused. We use professional photography, social media advertising. We get the word out. This all becomes more important when a real estate agent just can't put up a home on the market and 300 people will come through and see it. And out of those 300 people, 25 people will offer on that property. You're going to have to do more work. Any realtors watching this, you're probably going to have to work harder. It's just life, guys and gals. Everyone, whatever. Is this the meltdown some people are expecting? Is this just a summer lull? I think we're going to see, time will tell. Obviously, COVID's opening back up. I think a lot of that has to do with people are just happy to get out of their house for anything that's not real estate or work or whatever related. I think we are going to see some, we're seeing wage increase pressure down in the States with, some people didn't go back to work after COVID. So that's putting pressure on wages down in the States. I think we're going to see that in Canada. I know that I'm seeing that in our restaurants where back of the house kitchen staff are making $17 to $20 an hour without any experience at all. I mean, we're starting to see this filter into the economy with wage increases. And I know everyone always talks about that in the comments. So again, is this going to change? And again, it is changing. It changes daily. It changes weekly. And it really depends on the micro market that you're in. And, so that's why I always implore you to work with a professional in your area, somebody who's the economist of choice in that area. Because if they're just selling a couple homes, that's okay when the market is stupid hot. Even though I think if you work with a professional, they're going to get you more money. Yet in this market, you need to have the tools of the trade to get it done. Anyways, guys, that's all I have to say about that. So I will catch you in the next one. Have a great day.